So there's a little bit of an issue that I noticed on this shaft. There's a dent right here where someone has hammered that, and it's bent a little, and these caps should go in from this side, but that dent right there, which I can feel, is really causing it not to want to go. So I've got me a little grinding wheel like this. I'm gonna try to wear that dent, that little flattened out spot down, and then I'll need to dust this all up good, after I do that, to get all the grit and stuff out of there. So I think I'm just gonna put this paper towel here, and I'll take another one and clean off the grease here. And then I'll take that little grinding wheel thingy and see if we can't smooth that up. That looks pretty good. Now there is a notch in here where that little clip goes. Y'all saw me take out of here the other day. And then we'll see. Now another thing I did was, the inside of this thing is filled with ball bearings. So I took a little piece of what I cut out and stuck it in here. I do need to be able to get that out later. To basically keep them bearings from moving. See, here's what I cut off a while ago, and I put it down in here because I want this to keep those bearings that are all standing up around the outside of this from falling out. So let's see, I'm going to take a finger and stick up in here and kind of hold that piece in place, and we'll see if I can get this to go down in there now. See, it should go in there kind of easily. So it has started going. So now I can take out this little piece and I can stick the thing itself up in there. See, I took that out, and now I'm going to put this in. And I'm going to put the bottom end down here first. Try and keep this all clean as I can, and then I'm going to stick this up into that. And now I'm going to hold that while I tap this down so those bearings don't go anywhere. This is what that looks like. So now I'm going to flip this over, this drive shaft. I could tap that a little more. So now I have gravity holding that piece in place. And I can take this other one here, and I'm going to put a little grease around the top of this, like I did that other one. And put this here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise this piece up so that this goes up in here. Well, I'll tap that one in. now I can take and tap this in. And flip it over and tap the other side in, and then put the pins in it. You can see I have a nice little lip right in here. And I'm going to put a pin, one of those keys, in that. Now I'm going to flip it over and put a pin on the other side. See how lovely that is? And let's flip it over and look at the first side again. Everything is in here as it should be, and this is free to move like that, which it will need to do. This one also has a grease fitting here, which is good. That'll help this last a lot longer if someone squirts a little grease in that every so often. Okay then, now what we got to do is do the other side here. And we're going to do something very similar to that over here. By the way, I'm going to go ahead and squirt a little grease in this one while it's here on the bench. It's got a grease nipple over here. That's a good time to do it right now. Oh yeah, that's working. That'll help. That'll help make everything nice and smooth when we put it back together.